Hello everyone, this is your girl Kino, aka the Stay-at-Home Cutie, and I'm here with another unboxing. This is for the oversized foldable sunglasses. These are the polarized version, and they are for women. As you can see, they are very oversized. I'm gonna open them up. It's like so. I've always wanted a pair of polarized sunglasses, but the traditional ones that everybody wears, those, to me, those were just a little too sporty, like male fisherman sportsmanship. When you open your glasses, they will come in like a Walmart baggy-like shipping. I did receive these through UPS. So what you see here, you have the box, of course. Okay. And then I'm assuming this is the carrying case. Just 1 second, let me open it. Okay, so that's exactly what it was. This is your carrying case. This is very, very soft, and it can be used also to clean your sunglasses. But they also have a cleaning cloth that comes with it as well that matches the actual carrying case. Very, very soft. So, and then you have your lanyard for those who like to put lanyards on their sunglasses. Now the stems, when you get it, it will arrive in this right here. Okay, just a little simple plastic baggie. The entire sunglass frame and everything will be covered in this. And this is one of the 2 stem covers, which this is the stems, I call it the stems, for the sunglasses. So let's just take a look at them. Very polarized, very mirror-like image, as you can see. Okay, so there you go. The stems do fold in like this. That's why they're called foldable. Okay, so that side, and then this side. Excuse my one-handedness. Okay, so if you're somewhere and you need for them to sit a certain way on your dashboard or whatever, that's one way to do it. And then they also fold in like this. So see, there you go. So this is easy to put into your purse or into this micro bag. So hold tight. Let me put this camera pause it for a second, and then I'll show you what it looks like, what they look like inside of the bag folded. Okay, everyone, I'm back. I wasn't able to put them inside of this bag folded, so you will have to put your sunglasses in here the traditional way, and you have 2 ties on the side to secure it. This is just your basic sunglass bag. And also I want to show you the tips for the lanyard. It's rubber based. So yes. So hold this 1 second, and we're gonna try them on and see how they look. Okay, everyone, welcome back. I am wearing the sunglasses now. As you can see, they are big. They're extra large or large, and they are cat eye. I think they're cute. I put the lanyard on the sunglasses where the stem or the side of it, side handle, actually bends in. There's a little notch there to secure it. I'm not really a lanyard on my sunglass type person. Oh, let me put it down, that looks weird. But these are really nice. These are also for work. I have to walk sometimes, and sometimes, depending on where I am, I will have to use sunglasses because we're in and out and we never know where we're going to be positioned when we're working with the stadium. So I hope this helps. And these can be found on walmart.com. Thank you for visiting my channel. Again, this is your girl, TINHAO, and I'm your stay-at-home cutie. Remember, God loves you, and so do I. Love on yourself beautifully. Don't sweat the small stuff, because there's someone somewhere that wants to be in your shoes. And keep God first. And blessings 30,000 fold. And I love you. And you have a blessed day. Blessings 30,000 fold. And I'm TINHAO, your stay-at-home cutie.